Alright, we're here for Maryann's school assignment. Gotta do some observation of the Elfin Forest of Escondido, doing some geographical research. Gotta take note of the wildlife, plants, and whatnot. So let's start this. So what is your observation of what we've seen so far?
I don't know.
This is for your homework.
Yeah, I don't know. Shut up. Ugh.
You're a scientist today.
Oh, I'm not. I don't know what I'm doing.
And off we go.
I like this one. We go around it. What do you think?
Oh yeah, wherever you want to go. Okay, so we're hiking up the hill, the mountain, I guess you could say, and I don't know, do more research. I have a feeling like we're gonna slip at some point. So many of these rocks in the way, you gotta make your way over them. So we're making our way up. There's the parking lot, and there's Babe making her way up the trail, waiting for me while I'm filming her. Okay? Yeah. What's wrong? And off we go again. Whoa. Okay, so we are now leaving the Elfin Forest. We went up the hill to a point where we couldn't take it anymore and we had to come back down, and it is about 2 o'clock, almost 2 o'clock, and I'm gonna see about taking Maryann to this dam off of Del Dios take her there for a bit and then head home. All right. Shopping, getting your steps in. You done?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
Person.
What? What? Where?